Okay, Sibel, let's do a mock test for part one of the speaking test of IELTS. Ready?
Ready?
Okay. So, do you work or study?
I study. I'm a grade 11 student in Ford College High School, and
So, do you have any future plans for your study at university?
yeah, I'm passionate about the art subject, so I got learn in the Ryerson University, and then learn some fashion issues like that.
Great. So, let's talk about your hometown.
My hometown is up in the south of China, which is Guangzhou, a very big city. And then there's very hot there in the summer and very cold in the winter.
So, let's talk about the hobbies. What do you usually do in your free time or your leisure time?
Actually, in my spare time, I prefer to reading some books alone or go to play some basketball with my friends.
Is there any specific sports you don't like playing but you like watching?
I don't like playing.
You don't like playing, but you like watching instead of playing.
Uh, no, I think
Okay, so what's your favorite summer sports or summer sport?
my favorite summer sport is volleyball because I can play it beside the beach and play with many friends, and it will practice my cooperation.
So what kind of food do you like best?
Uh, I prefer the Chinese food because I got many choices on it, and it will be spicy than the foreigner food.
So let's talk about the neighborhood you live right now in Toronto, Canada. Can you describe it to me?
In fact, I seldom see my neighborhood because I live in a condo, and the neighborhood is not usually go out or something.
All right. So if you have guests over, do you prefer to cook for your guests or you prefer to take them out at a restaurant?
I prefer to take them out in the restaurant because I really don't have talent of cooking, and cooking is waste my time for me, I think.
Great. This is the end of part one, the speaking test of IELTS. Thank you very much, Sibel. We have to